Hey everyone, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you something that's really cool that'll really help you with your photography. So let's go right into it. As y'all know, flashes are really important for photography. So in nighttime, in events, all that stuff, you really need a flash to get some depth, some shadows. You need all that to make a photo really pop and make it look really good. Over here, I have the Speedlite YN568. It's the flash that I've recently picked up, and I can say it's one of the best flashes I've ever used because there's so many good things about it. So about this flash is really robust. It's quite heavy as well, especially with batteries in it. It works really well. I've only used it a few times. From the times I used it, it's lasted. It even lasted me accidentally dropping my camera and this actually took a lot of the hit, but there's literally nothing wrong with it as far as I know. I'm hoping, at least. One of the coolest things is over here, it won't show up on camera, but this over here has a beam that shoots out. So if you have a camera like the one I'm recording on now, it's harder to see in low light because it's a crop sensor. So this will really help you when you want to like see, either when you can't see or when the camera can't see, and it'll kind of focus for you and create like a beam that'll shine on your subjects. So this is a really good flash for that because I've been looking for that for a long time for flashes. As you saw, it flashes really well. It's on 1/32. So it's quite powerful. It has a bunch of different modes. I'll put some specifics somewhere on the screen here so you can kind of get an idea. I'll also see if I can find some photos of either of my own or of others of why a flash is important. Definitely look into getting this because it's a really good pickup. It's a little expensive. I think I got mine for 160, but it's worthwhile to get it, especially if you put it somewhere and you want to use it as a secondary flash, even like with a trigger. It's really robust, really good. I'll even put like a clip of it close up so you can all see it. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, please comment, subscribe, and like down below. And let me know if you like this video and if I can add more stuff to it. I'm going to put some of the more specifications of this in the description or somewhere in the video later on so you can kind of get an idea, because it's a really good flash. I just don't know the specifics off the top of my head. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.